Mountaineer Brand sent me this, so let's see what's in the box. What we got first? We've got beard wash. Well, it tastes good. What's it smell like, though? It is timber. It just smells pretty good. Anyway, what we got next? We got beard oil, which is also timber scent, I guess. I was gonna say flavor. Oh man, it smells good. All right, what we got next? We have more beard oil, big beard oil, and it's smoky bourbon. Ooh. Ferret, come get a whiff of this. Oh man. Man, that's good. Oh, give you a little ASMR crinkle. Open that up, have a whiff of that. Smoky bourbon. Sorry, I just spat at you. My bad. All right, then we got, what is this? Beard conditioner to go with the, where'd I put the beard wash? Oh. So we got beard wash and beard conditioner. Both timber scent. And then last thing we've got in here is smoky bourbon's the best scent so far. Ferret agrees, I agree. And then we've got timber scented beard balm. How do I use this? Remove desired amount of product with thumbnail and rub it into the palms of your hand until it's dissolved. Apply the beard, insert the massage product into the skin. Groom and style as usual. You know what? Why don't we give that a go right now? I wasn't expecting to be that consistency. Could you grab me a towel, love? We're all bombed up. Is that TOS? Is that TOS to do a live bombing like that? Thank you to Mountaineer Brand for sending this stuff over. I'm definitely gonna be using it. I gotta get some of this stuff for bald heads. I kind of wanna. I'm curious, guys. Thank you for watching the unboxing. My first unboxing. Never unboxing on stream before. Mountaineer Brand, thank you.